What's going on, everybody? Before we get into the video, I just want to thank everybody for the support so far. The past two videos have been really well. First of all, leave a like on the video. Let's get to 15 likes. That'll be outstanding. Leave a comment down below. I reply to all my comments and destroy that sub button. We're on the road to 1,500 subscribers. This is my first Airsoft vlog. It was a lot of fun. This was my first Airsoft event ever. Like, it was a big event. It was a lot of fun. We played for an hour and a half straight, like no breaks, nothing. It was a Milsim event. It was a lot of fun. There's some stuff that they can improve on, but every event, is not perfect. It was a lot of fun. I definitely want to go again. Like I said, we played for an hour and a half. So after this vlog, my GoPro battery was low, so I wasn't able to capture the rest of the day, but we only played like 1 or 2 games after the event anyways. So this is all about the event, okay? Don't forget, like I said, hit that sub button. It'll be greatly appreciated. Join the community. I do stream on Twitch. I'm switching it to Monday and Thursdays instead of Sunday and Thursdays because I usually go airsofting Sundays. I usually come home really tired, not wanting to stream. So I'm switching it to Monday and Thursdays, 8 or 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Those times might change because I'm applying to become an EMT at Six Flags. So those times might change. I'll keep you guys informed through Instagram, Twitter, and Discord. So make sure you guys follow me on social media as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the night sky. Peace. Black Ops Airsoft for the veterans event. It is going to be it. We got cars with trucks with turrets on them. Everything got perks. They got everything. So we're going to be here all day. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. What's going on, everybody? So at this point in time, we are getting briefed on our mission. We're restocking on ammo, getting some water, and they're letting us know where our respawn is, and eventually we'll be heading back there. So I'll check back in with you guys when we reach our respawn. Okay, now we are at our respawn, and we're getting rebriefed on our mission. Our mission is to extract Sarah O'Connor from the hospital, get her to her gear, and then take her to the extraction site. But there are Terminators on the enemy team, and these Terminators can only be killed by headshots, if they get shot by 3 separate people, or by grenades. And they have 30-second respawn time, so they have to sit still for 30 seconds and they can respawn, whereas we have 3-minute respawn times. So I didn't know this, but we come to find out at the end of the day, they have cards. If you take their cards, that's their CPU chip, and then they have to walk back all the way to respawn and then come back. But we didn't find out until the day was over.
Until the bots are all dead. After the bots are all dead, we'll pick up anybody that's down and try to move out. Shot at and killed. We're getting shot at, we're gonna fucking move.
So after waiting for the rest of their team, they just showed up. Those are the breachers. So they are to breach into the hospital and get control of the hospital. So then my team and I, the extraction team, can come in, extract Sarah from the hospital, get her to her gear, and get her to the extraction site. Okay, now the game has officially started, and we are on our way to the hospital. The reason why we aren't running or anything like that is because we have to give the breach team time to breach and take control of the hospital. I do want to apologize for that thumping noise. I had no idea that it would record like this. It's banging on something. I'm not sure what it is. It's in a case, and I'm not sure what it's banging on. I do apologize for this, and I'll try to figure it out for future videos. Okay, so right now the breachy team is entering the hospital, and we are setting up a perimeter to give them more time to set up in the hospital before we go in and extract Sarah O'Connor. Okay, so we have spotted two terminators in that pink building straight ahead. Again, the only way to kill them is by headshot, grenade, or 3 individual players shooting them at once. We don't have any grenades, and it's only my friend and I, so we're trying our best to hold them so they can't enter the hospital. Okay, at this point, my friend and I are trying to loop around to our left to try to get a better angle at the people in pink building and the bank, which is the building straight ahead. The problem is, there's a lot of crossfire, so it's very risky. Okay. Watch over here, watch over here, watch over here. Motherfucker. Okay, so somehow the enemy got behind us and is able to shoot us. Fortunately, though, my friend was able to revive me. Watch straight ahead, shot. You can? I'm gonna push straight ahead. Right here. Yeah. Yep. Go. Keep going, keep going. Straight ahead, shot. Right in front of you, shot. Right in front of you, right there. Okay. I'm coming upon you, shot. We got him to the right here. We keep looping around, you wanna keep looping? Huh. What the shit? We got this guy right here. Keep pushing up. Watch to your right. If you want to take that, I got you. What you see, OG? Okay, somebody over there. You want to do a highlight first? Yeah. Yeah, go. What's he wearing? What's he wearing? Oh, hey! Semi-auto, dude. Oh, shoot, man. He must have flipped. That's okay, man. No worries. AKs are a bitch, so I don't blame you. Is he behind the tree? Oh, yeah. Okay. Tyler, go to the blue car. Blue car? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so my friend and I pushed up. We got control of this side somewhat. There's still enemies straight ahead by our spawn, and there's one guy to my right. But the problem is, I just spotted someone to our left too, so I'm kind of pinned by this truck.
Want me to push right? I got shot in the back of the head. I'm trying, there's a guy right here. Fuck it. Yeah, he's going left. Hit.
Okay, so my friend and I are dead. At this point, we have to wait where we are for 3 minutes. One of our teammates can come revive us in that 3 minutes. But if our 3 minutes is up, we can walk back to our respawn and then come back into the game.
I got that one going left. And then, oh my god. That guy, another bootlegger popped out at the right time, dude. Lit me up.
My friend and I didn't get revived, so we walked back to our respawn, and now we're headed back into the game.
Yeah, watch your left when you get up the road. Spread out. Spread out. Bootleggers are pushing backside of hospital.
Yep, one's right in front of you guys, right in front of you guys. Going up. Keep going that way, Shot. I got you. I think they're dead right there. In a corner?
No, right here.
We can grab him. He said we can grab him. Hey, I might go for our teammate up there. I'm gonna go for our teammate. Sean, I'm gonna go for our teammate. Hey, I'm going for our teammate up here. And the flannel, he's one of ours. I don't think he's friendly. Keep going right over here. Friendly coming in. Where's he at? Hospital entrance, one shot. Hospital entrance. Two hospital entrance. coming around this way. Hey, we got 2 hospital entrance. Where? 2 hospital entrance.
The left door, or like the middle.
Right there to your right. You see him?
I know, I'm trying to get a good shot through this spectrum.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad, my bad! Is that ready? Yeah.
I'm going straight over here.
It's okay, he's got his arm up, go for it. You're good, you're good.
To your right, to your right. There's 2 right up here to the right. So not up here.
You got that window?
Yep.
That is Sarah O'Connor. So we finally extracted her from the hospital, and now we have to get her back to our right there to get her gear so we can get her to the extraction site.
No, there's a Terminator right over there.
I know. Now have to fight to get me.
No.
Okay, so now apparently what that whole conversation was we're now supposed to fight against the breachers for Sarah to get her to the extraction site because we had to get her to different extraction sites, but nobody told us that.
Dude, you're definitely hit. Come on.
They cannot be pine corners. If they're pine corners, they cannot be doing that.
Okay, so what Sarah just told me is that the Terminator is supposed to act like robots, so they can't be hiding around corners and they can't be peeking around corners. Half of them were following that, and half of them weren't, so it is what it is.
Okay.
I pushed up to the hospital, and then my teammates call out there's at least 2 Terminators inside to my left. So now I'm waiting for someone to push up with me or for them to get them out.
No. There's 2 in here. There's 2 in here.
I got nade.
Okay. There's 2 Terminators in there. They called it.
How confident are you with your nade throwing skills?
Semi.
Go for it, man. Throw that pin. Put that nade in there. I'm gonna push it after it.
Okay. Ready? Go. To your right. To your right. Hit.
As you just saw, I just killed 2 Terminators with that grenade. But I didn't know is there's one waiting behind that corner to my left. So I'm now dead in the worst spot. This is where the firefight is happening. So I have to wait here for 3 minutes.
You're good. Nope. Dropped it.
Okay, so I didn't get revived as you could have guessed. But now I'm back in my respawn and headed back in.
Motherfucker.
So that man literally walked behind us and got all 6 of us out.
So it has to be an LMG or like three guys simultaneously.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. We're just waiting here to get revived, but we don't. And then when we go back to our respawn, they call it 2 minutes. So we just chill on our respawn, and then we walk back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like. On the video, our goal is to 15 likes. Leave a comment down below, reply to all my comments, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.